messy. So here I go. Now we can dry it. Inside it got a little wet too. Dry it right here. You know, water can get in those parts. Oh no, my sticker that I put on is wet. Oh no, please don't want to come off. I hope it doesn't come off. I mean, if it does, I mean, that's the future. Stickers don't last forever, but still, I love that sticker. I got it when I was in kindergarten. Well, actually, before I was a baby even, maybe. Well, it's just something special. Clean the insides. Yeah, let me go get some window cleaner. Okay, I've gotten the window cleaner. Let me just dip my towel in here and wipe it. It's looking nice and shiny, isn't it? Bye, friends. Hope you subscribe and Skipper! Have a nice day. Now I have no dry towel to dry myself on. How dumb is that? Now I have to go soaked today. That towel has mud splotches on it and everything. And Skipper! You got mud in my hair! Skipper, better not do this again or else I am soaked! Now, please like this video and Skipper! I can't even walk to get my lovely skirt back on, and I'm soaked anyway. Now I need to get up and dry my car all over again. I'll just sit in the Silch car. And fishes would like this. Thank you, son. Thank you, son. Now my car can get dry faster, and then I can get dry faster. Let's dry my clothes. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe and have a nice day.